Mr. Chair.
You have, yes.
Thank you po. Mr. Chair, sakali po ba na mapatunayan ang ginamit po na messenger doon ay peke, maaari niyo po ba akong tulungan para ma-track po yon?
Sure.
Salamat
Rose,
po.
No, don't worry. We will be fair, transparent, and the very purpose of this hearing is to really find out the truth. Hindi naman po kami manggigisa ng tao dito kapag hindi po totoo. So, pagdating naman po sa negosyo nyo, kaya kayo nagkaroon ng maraming pera is because of the POGO, correct?
Mr. Chair, bago pa po may POGO, may pera na po ang asawa ko. Bago
Okay.
ko po siya nakilala, may pera na po siya.
And dalawang issue lang siguro to. Ay, kaya na lang. Miss Rose, Lynn.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Do you know a certain Alvin Constantino?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
What is your relationship with Alvin Constantino?
He worked with me po.
As a chief of staff?
Yes po.
So, siya yung COS mo when you ran for congressional bid in Quezon City.
Now po.
Yes, and founder and leader of Confederate Sentinels of God.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And he also ran for councilor in District 6 in 2022.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You know what, a certain Ted Lazaro
Yes, Mr. Chair.
is also your
Yes, Mr. Chair.
employee? Okay. Yung bang pangalan ng asawa mo is Sean Wei Lin or Lin Sean Wei. Alam mo, actually, nagugulo ko eh. Anong pangalan talaga?
Mr. Chair, yung last name po is Lin. Ang
Lin.
first name po niya is Wishong.
Wishong.
Yes po.
Okay, so kanina sinasabi mo hindi siya Alan Lim, correct?
Yes po, Mr.
Okay.
Chair.
So Wishong Lin. So ang
Yes,
tawag mo
Mr.
sa kanya pag nasa bahay is Wishong.
May tawagan po kasi kami.
So hindi, I mean, pag tinatawag mo siya ng pangalan niya, anong tinatawag mo sa kanya? Wi o Shong?
Wishong po talaga.
So ganun. So kasi Pilipino tayo, di ba? Usually kapag tayo Pilipino, sometimes we tend to call our husband or our wife, di ba, in a Filipino name. Yeah, really, di ba? Kasi Pilipino tayo eh. Alam mo, tawagan mong Wishong. Well, anyway, sa inyo yun. So hindi siya talaga si Alan Lim.
No po, Mr.
Alright.
Chair.
So yun nangyari doon sa 2002 ba yun? Yung sa Cavite? Hindi si ano yun? Hindi si Wei Sean Lin. Hindi.
Hindi po si Lin Wishong po.
Yeah, according to you, di ba? Hindi siya. Okay. So, pagdating naman po sa negosyo nyo, kaya kayo nagkaroon ng maraming pera is because of the POGO, correct?
Mr. Chair,
Asa-
bago pa po may POGO, may pera na po ang asawa ko. Bago
Okay.
ko po siya nakilala, may pera na po siya.
Alright, so, meron siya nung Sean Wei Technology.
Sean Wei Technology po.
And one of these Sean Wei Technology is to service provider, di ba? Ng mga POGO.
Master license po siya.
Master license.
Opo.
So, can you kindly educate me on that field?
Mr. Chair, ang involvement ko po sa Sean Wei is again po sa back office po ako. Yung nag-aayos ng mga papers,
Tinatanong ko, tinatanong ko, yung
Sorry po.
Sean Wei Technology.
Yes.
Siyempre, meron kayong 22, di ba? You have so many, 32 name of licensing nyo under your, Sean Wei. I think Sean Wei Technology is one of those that was given yung mga subs licensee, correct?
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
At nagbibigay kayo ng service provider ng technology doon sa POGO. Tama?
Tama, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And one of those that you have given your services is yung Oroon Incorporated sa Cagayan de Oro.
Oro 1 po, Mr.
Oro
Chair.
One, yeah.
Opo.
And that is owned by Tony Yang.
Corporation po yun eh. Wala
Yes,
namang pangalan
pero
po ni Tony
si Tony Yang,
doon.
Tony Yang, maestrado, di ba? Pakikita namin dokumento, kaso ang dami pa namin kakalkalin dito. But we know that Tony Yang owns etong Oro One Incorporated sa Cagayan de Oro. Ito yung ni-raid eh.
Cagayan de Oro.
Tama?
Po.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Pero I don't know po kung na-raid po sila.
Na-raid sila. Nasa news. Hindi ka nagbabasa?
Start po no.
When was that, when yung sa Porac, when this was raided by PAOK TF and the DILG, were you aware of this raid in the Pogo in Porac?
Mr. Chair, nalaman ko lang po yun through news.
Do you have an interest in Pogo doon sa Porac?
No, Mr. Chair.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Were there a time that you have asked your COS, Alvin Constantino, na tulungan ka na ilabas yung mga gamit sa Porac?
No, Mr. Chair. Wala
Was
po
there-
kaming business sa Porac
Was
po.
there no communication between you
No,
and
Mr.
Alvin
Chair.
Constantino
No, Mr. Chair.
that you are asking him to find someone from the PNP to help you in order to release all your things, documents, and pertaining to assets in the Porac, Pampanga?
No, Mr. Chair.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sige, I want to show you something. Can you show me figure 1, please? Ayan. Alvin, sino pwedeng tawagan sa Porac? Last time na binigay mo, okay naman. Pero this time, mga need namin kaming ilalabas. Hahanap po ako, ma'am. Then update ko po kayo. And that's Alvin Constantino. And magkano or kami na mag-uusap? Need ko ibang number. Pagpapakausap mo ako. Paggawa kay Ted. Di ba you remember Ted and Alvin? Correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Mr.
Copy,
Chair.
ma'am. Wait. I'm not done yet.
I'm
I'll
sorry,
give you time.
Mr. Chair.
Okay. Punta tayo sa figure 2. O, ito naman, kausap mo. Ma'am, can I have additional funds for me to be able to file a case? Alvin, gamitin mo na lahat ng connections mo. Busy kami. Yung negosyo namin sa Palawan, kailangan namin gawa ng paraan. Yung sa Clark, yung pinuntahan natin, inaayos na rin namin kasi may tip na ayon sa ang next na pupuntahan. Just call me. Anong need? Magkasama naman tayo mamaya. Figure 3. Oh, you texted him. Any update? Ma'am, hinintay ko po yung regional director ng Region 3. Sige, ASAP. Si General Rodel Bula, paasap ng number sa Viber at para sa staff ko muna. Tatawag sa kanya. Copy, ma'am. Hanapin ko lang po. Contact number. Send ko sa iyo. And then lastly, Alvin, may papalangalan ako sa iyong properties but we need to talk with my lawyers. Lahat ng mga negosyo namin need matago yung ibang mga properties dahil mag-start ng mag-freeze ng asset sa Porac. May advance info naman tayo. May time naman ako para itago yon mga asset. Ipasok ko sa foundation yung iba. Yes, ma'am. Just tell me all the details later sa virtual meeting. You can use me and Ted for your properties. So, are you going to deny this? Of course, right?
Mr. Chair, talagang i-deny ko po yan dahil wala pong katotohanan.
So, ito yung iyong Facebook.
Messenger. Mr. Chair, bigyan
Is
ko
that
po kayo.
your Facebook account Messenger? Is that yours? Yes or no?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, yes.
But Mr. Chair, let me speak po muna kasi may one instance po na ginaya po yung messenger ko. Ginamit ang pangalan ko. Yes po, that's true po. Nireklamo po
Nakita mo yung
namin yan sa
profile pic
Facebook.
mo, Rose?
Yes,
Rose,
Mr.
ayun yung
Chair.
profile pic mo.
Tama po yan.
And all those in conversation with Alvin Constantino, that the same profile pic. Well, anyway, of course you will deny it, correct?
Dahil hindi po totoo yan, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
Mr. Chairman, will be inviting over Mr. Alvin Constantino and Mr. Ted Lazaro in the next hearing, and for us to find out the veracity of all of this. Well, allegation din naman to, Rose?
Yes, Mr.
We
Chair.
have to find out the truthfulness, of this allegation as well. And how many licenses do you have? 35?
No, Mr. Chair. One licensee and 9 service provider.
Meron kayo meron kayo sa Cagayan, meron kayo sa Palawan, meron kayo sa Clarkfield.
Kapalawan, we don't have po.
Sa Mactan,
Mactan, mayroon po before.
Pasay,
Pasay, mayroon po.
Parañaque.
Paranaque, yes po.
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
You have, yes.
Thank you po. Mr. Chair, sakali po ba na mapatunayan na ang ginamit po na messenger doon ay peke, maaari niyo po ba akong tulungan para ma-track po yon?
Sure.
Salamat
Rose,
po.
No, don't worry. We will be fair, transparent, and the very purpose of this hearing is to really find out the truth. Hindi naman po kami manggigisa ng tao dito kapag hindi po totoo. But of course, these documents that are being presented to us, the reason why we are trying to present this is to have the validation. Hindi naman po namin kayo pinipin down. But if ever na mapatunayan natin na hindi ito totoo, di mas maganda po para po sa atin lahat.
Salamat, Mr. Chair.
Alright.